Namaste to all my dear lovely viewers. This is Rakhi Patil and welcome to Rakhi Connects. My Kala Samarpanam series episode covers a personality who has aspired his journey as an actor and inspired so many people with his performances. Mr. Rajesh Sringarpuri, an Indian film and television actor known to all for his varied roles in many movies, TV serials and shows. Hello Rajesh.
Hi, Raki. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Welcome to my channel Rakhi Connects and my Kala
My
Samarpanam
pleasure.
series episode Journey to Aspire, Journey to Inspire. I thank
Wow.
you for connecting with me with your valuable time. So before starting, Rajesh, tell me how's your new normal?
My new normal is actually now I have settled down mentally.
Okay.
Earlier, when the first lockdown started, when this erupted, this coronavirus, we all
Yes,
were in a
true.
state of dizziness. We
True,
will not
true,
know
true.
actually how to react to this whole
Very
pandemic.
true.
So
Yes.
therefore, others around, even I was in a state of panic. Nothing sure about confusions everywhere. Then
True.
seeing the media also, some news and all. Again, that kind of tension was there.
True.
How the world is going to react, how a country is going to react, how a state is going to react.
True. True.
But fortunately, everything is now in a state of control. I think people have got used to it, acclimatized with this whole situation, and they have absorbed this whole pandemic's, virus. I think we'll have to live with it. This is the new normal.
Yeah,
This
I think so. It's
coronavirus, we'll have to live with it. You can't say कि अभी 4 महीना हो गया है तो अब खत्म हो जाएगा. It will get over and we'll be like again meeting with that same hug and that same warmness. That warmness will be there,
certainly things
but
will
that then
take
we'll have to
time.
show it or project it through, from internally. That if suppose I am
True.
meeting some of my old new friends, then rather than hugging and all, we might meet them with a proper namaste, the way our culture is.
So yes.
तो तुम क्या,
Yes.
जैसे आपके नृत्य इसमें भी सिखाया जाता है, जिस तरह से प्रणाम
True.
किया जाता है,
प्रणाम किया
उसी
जाता
में
है।
सब चीज आती है. जैसे हमारे एयर इंडिया गवर्नमेंट का जो है, वो महाराजा भी है, वो ऐसे नमस्ते से ही सबका वेलकम करता है.
So I
तो
think so.
हमें
We're
सबको ऐसे ही
learning
करना
so
पड़ेगा. दैट इज द
many.
न्यू नॉर्मल. हाँ,
Yes. Yes.
that is
Yes.
the new
True.
normal. That
Truly
is
said.
one part
Truly said.
where, rather than meeting with that Western culture, hugging and handshake, that's proper namaste, and that, है ना, आंखों में दिखना चाहिए कि हाँ, you have appreciated or you have welcomed the person, whoever comes in front of you.
Right.
That is one.
True.
Secondly, new normal, the most important part that I've learned is a life lesson that
Yeah.
nothing is in your hands. You
True.
can't plan things for your future.
Very true.
You can plan for a certain amount of time, like a month or so, or 2 months ka bhi, just for example, a picnic, or
Yes.
meeting somebody, or having a get together, or
True.
whatever official
Right.
visits and
Right.
all that we
Right.
can plan. But long lasting or next 20 years ka planning, that I think is all vague. You can't do it, because jab nature's calamity strikes on
Yes.
mankind, I think everything goes disarray, and we actually don't know how to. We live for that moment. So the whole underlying statement is, we'll have to live for the moment. We have to live this moment,
True.
and that moment one should always enjoy, have learned, and be simple. Simplicity is the root cause of happiness. That's what I feel.
Yes.
Rather
Yes.
than
Certainly. Certainly.
going for materialistic thing around, just be simple. Whatever comes in your life, if you, I strongly believe in that.
Right.
Raki,
Right.
that
Yes.
whatever
Yes.
is
Yes.
destined for you, that will happen. You just do your karmas naturally, nicely, sincerely, and honestly.
Yes. Now coming back to your journey to aspire, journey to inspire. So tell me, Rajesh, how did you get the aspiration to grow as an actor?
As I said, some things are not in your hands, Raki.
Right.
I had not planned to become an actor, but that germ of acting was always there, was instilled in me from my school days.
Okay.
But I never thought that this will become a profession.
Right. Right. Right.
Okay. But in school theaters, inter-school competitions, I used to be
Okay.
a part somehow. Colleges also, I used to be two different colleges. I was in three different, when post
Okay.
graduation and post
Right.
graduation.
Right.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
So there also, on its own, people used to cast me for their theater, and I had an interest, I had a drive to be, get on that stage and act. But that feeling of getting into this profession professionally had never occurred to me. Okay.
Okay.
Air Force and Army, and I got selected also as a pilot. But then in medicals, that vision that they require, a particular vision they require, which I
Okay.
didn't fill in their others, and I got
Okay.
rejected. So I was a
Okay.
little disheartened, and I didn't know how to go about them. So I was trying for Army at the same time.
Oh.
Side by side, I was doing a job. So there, a friend of mine told me that RK Banner is looking out for new faces. RK Banner in the sense, not Banner, but RK,
Right.
Randhir Kapoor and that whole team is looking out
Right.
for a new
Right.
face in their upcoming project.
Okay.
So it's an army film, Paramveer Chakra. So why don't you
Oh.
go? Because you have done your military training and you have an inclination also to go.
Yes.
Plus, I've seen you acting in colleges. He was my college friend. He said, you should go and try your luck. I said, yeah, I don't know anything about this industry. I'm completely a naive person. I don't know. तू ट्राई तो कर यार. तो मराठी लड़का था, बोले यार हम मराठी
Right.
लोग ऐसे पीछे रहते हैं, अगर
Very
कोई और
true.
होता तो
Very
तुरंत
true.
जाता.
Yes.
You should go
Yes.
and try. So
Right.
that just triggered me, and I went there, met the people there. Even I think Dabbu Saab, Ranbir Kapoor was there. The director Ashok Paul was there.
Okay.
The cameraman of Raj Kapoor Saab, Suparmakar was there. I met them, they liked me, and somehow it just kept happening automatically.
Okay.
They said, whenever you have time from your job, you keep coming to RK Banner, RK Studio.
Okay.
So once in a blue moon, I used to go and meet them, say hi, hello. And
Okay.
finally, after 6-8 months, they thought of casting me as the main lead in that
Oh,
film.
wow.
And that's how it happened, Raki.
Wow.
So it never had occurred to me that I will become. But होता है ना कि एक जब दरवाजा बंद होता है तो अपने आप दूसरा दरवाजा
Right.
या रास्ता खुल जाता है.
I
मुझे
think
जाना था
you're
मिलिट्री में,
right.
और
So
वो
you're
दरवाजा बंद हुआ तो there was a big question mark in my early
right.
20s.
Very
कि अब
true.
मैं करूं क्या? मेरा पैशन था वहां तो जा नहीं पा रहा हूँ. So what should I do next? And घर का सिचुएशन भी ऐसा था कि यार कुछ ना कुछ तो अभी जल्दी करना होगा. So I was in a panic. जैसे 20s में होता है, you don't know how to take a
Right.
decision, where
Right.
to go about. But it just, everything fell in place at the right time.
Okay.
That's what I'm trying to say. Everything falls in place at the right time. You just have to have that
Right.
belief in you and that faith on whomever you have. It could be the Almighty,
Right.
it could be your parents,
True.
it could be anybody, even your daughters, your wife, anybody. That
Right.
faith has to be there
True.
with each
True.
other.
True.
That journey started, and that film process took 2.5 years because we had to go for actual border locations and shoot. So
Oh.
permissions lena bahut mushkil ho jata tha. Commercially, that film didn't click. In that film, Hema ji was there, Hema
Oh.
Malini,
Okay.
and a good paraphernalia of good actors, and we got a national award also. I got Best Upcoming Actor award.
Wow.
But commercially, कहते हैं ना कि when that film doesn't click, then everything again goes for a
Sometimes.
toss, and all
Yes.
things go for a toss.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And वो नहीं होता, then you have to struggle actually for it because you don't know anybody in the industry. तो मेरा इंडस्ट्री में स्ट्रगल वहां से शुरू हुआ.
Right.
फिल्म के शुरुआत में भी हुआ 8 महीने, and after the release also it was very difficult to sustain in this industry. But God has been very kind. I got projects one by one, slow and steady it is. I'm like a tortoise.
So maybe your experience of military training and your wish to join army got fulfilled in your first movie. And things we learn in life help us to grow in life, and we know good things don't come easy. So one should keep learning because learnings never goes waste. I
There's a
think.
beautiful when we were
Yes.
shooting in NDA, National Defense
Okay.
Academy, Pune,
Right,
Khadakwasla.
right.
So we were put up in November Squadron. वहाँ पर
Oh.
अलग-अलग squadrons के cadets को रखा जाता है.
Right.
वहाँ एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन line लिखी थी. And that
Okay.
line I want to quote it now. They
Sure.
said the army people or all the military, Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force,
Okay.
for them it's the tag line for that November Squadron. If
Okay.
death comes before I prove my blood, I promise I'll kill death.
Oh.
So it
Wow.
applies everywhere.
True.
Till the
true,
time I
true.
don't prove my mettle in this industry, I'm not going to die. That junoon has to be there.
Yes.
It may be
that
in
passion.
your dance. That unless you prove your worth, I will. मैं अपनी तलवार
True.
नीचे
I
नहीं
think so
रखूंगा.
everybody should get inspired
That
with
that
this.
drive, that zeal,
Yes.
that gut has to be there.
So if you could just tell me something about your past projects, your present projects, and
As I said, I started with my
your
this art presentations
yeah,
film Paramveer
first
Chakra.
movie, yes. In the year,
But
I mean,
because
if
it
you don't
didn't
mind, if you remember.
Other films.
Year.
Sorry.
Do you remember the year?
1995. 1995, March 30th.
So your acting career
1990.
started around 1995, right?
95 was the release. Yes, March
Oh,
1995.
wow, long
So
way,
almost
long
25
way.
years.
Oh God.
25 years of
Yeah.
long journey is this, Raki.
True.
And after that, since I said that the film was not that commercial hit,
Right.
a lot of struggle happened. Then my
Yes.
second film was Dharma Karma, where
Okay.
Dharmendra and Jitendra and myself and Rahul Roy, we all
Good
were
casting,
there.
yeah.
That also wasn't a commercial success. Yeah.
But
Then I came into serials. Through that film, Punit Issar saw my work, Jitendra saw my work. They
Okay.
offered me roles in their upcoming serials.
Right.
Then I did serials and came into serials.
Right.
Because kitchen chalna tha, acting
Very true.
rust न हो
Yes,
इसलिए
yes,
जहाँ
true.
मौका मिले, I never said no to any project.
Yes, and
Which I found कि हाँ
no
ये
harm in
अच्छा
doing
काम
that,
है, I should
basically,
do it.
right?
I say हाँ मतलब काम से काम मिलता गया.
Yes, very true.
So I मतलब struggle भी बहुत हुआ. Then after some while, when I was into Hindi, Marathi industry से offer आने लगे मुझे. So my first film was Bin Paishaचा Tamasha. Ramoji Rao was the producer, Hyderabad.
Okay.
Ramoji Rao.
Right.
त्या पिक्चर नंतर मग मला दुसरा पिक्चर मिळाला शंभू माझा नवसाचा.
ओके.
त्याचं महत्वाचं म्हणजे त्याच्यात मी वर्ल्ड रेकॉर्ड केला. त्याच्यात मला माहित नव्हतं मी करतोय असा काही रेकॉर्ड, पण जेव्हा केल्यानंतर मला एक इंटरव्ह्यू घेणाऱ्या रिपोर्टरने सांगितलं, सर तुम्हाला माहितीये का तुमचे एवढे रोल्स कोणी केले नाही. आय हॅड डन 13 रोल्स इन दॅट फिल्म. थँक्यू. सो ते मग ते वर्ल्ड बुक ऑफ रेकॉर्ड्स मध्ये माझं नाव मेन्शन केलं गेलं. आणि मग झेंडा पिक्चर केला, स्वराज्य केला. दे वर ऑल हिट्स.
येस.
सुपर डुपर सक्सेस इन मराठी. भरपूर केले ना. संघर्ष केला पिक्चर, मॅटर केला, वन रूम किचन आले. सो लॉट ऑफ फिल्म्स. देन हिंदी मध्ये पण सायमल्टेनियसली आय वॉज ऑन बोथ दिस. सरकार राज, मर्डर 3, यु नो.
आय थिंक सो तुझा राज ठाकरेचा कॅरेक्टर जे तू प्ले केलेलं ते सुद्धा खूप अप्रिशिएट केलं लोकांनी. आय थिंक
हो, ते झेंडा पिक्चर मधलं ते कॅरेक्टर खूप माझं लोकांना
नॉर्मली पॉलिटिकल कॅरेक्टर जास्त कॅची असतात. दुसऱ्यांना इमिटेट करणं खूप डिफिकल्ट असतं.
हो. आणि ऍक्च्युली मी राजसाहेबांना तेव्हा भेटलो नव्हतो.
ओके.
मला माहित नव्हतं हे कसं करायचं, पण जस्ट इन्स्टिंक्ट्स वरती आणि डिरेक्टरच्या इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स वरनं करत गेलो. आणि जे नंतर रिलीज झाल्यानंतर लोकांनी त्याची खूप प्रशंसा केली. लोकांना आवडलं ते कार्यक्रम.
बरोबर. आय थिंक सो तू प्रेझेंट मध्ये पण आता 1-2 मूवीज केल्यात का?
माझे आता रिलीज म्हणजे मागच्या वर्षी बरेच झाले पिक्चर, चित्रपट रिलीज. शिमगा झाला, ज्याच्यात अगेन मला अवॉर्ड मिळाला बेस्ट ऍक्टरचा. नंतर गडबड झाली चित्रपट रिलीज झाला. नंतर एक गोट्या नावाचा पिक्चर रिलीज झाला. इट वॉज अबाउट आपण लहानपणी आपण गोट्या खेळायचो, त्याच्यावरती तो पिक्चर आधारित होतो. आणि इट वॉज गुड सब्जेक्ट. असे 3-4 पिक्चर रिलीज झाले. म्हणजे हॉलिवूड फिल्म्स मी 2 केल्या त्या सुमारास. सो मिक्स मॅच ऑफ मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, क्रॉसओव्हर असे सगळे चालले. सिरियल्स. नंतर आय थिंक आपली भेट झाली ती नाट्यविहार कला केंद्र मध्ये हेमाजीच्या
खूप वर्ष झाली त्याला.
दॅट ऑल्सो देर इज अ स्मॉल लिटल हिस्ट्री टू इट. मी सिनेविस्ताची ती जय माता करत होतो.
कुठली सिरियल?
जय माता की.
ओके.
जय माता की. त्याच्यामध्ये माता झाल्या होत्या आपल्या हेमाजी.
Right, right,
वेगवेगळे
right.
विविध मातांचे रोल्स ते करत
Yes,
होते त्याच्यात.
yes,
त्यांनी त्यात लक्ष्मीचा रोल पण केला होता
yes.
आणि मी विष्णूचा केला होता. तर त्या
Okay.
नेहमी सेटवर आल्या की हसायचे, अरे ये तो बच्चा है, ये तो मेरे फर्स्ट फिल्म में बच्चे के रोल किया था मेरा, अभी ये मेरा पती बना है इसमें. तर त्या नेहमी हसायचे.
Right.
तर म्हटलं मॅडम गॉड इज एजलेस.
And she's got a very
गॉड
good
का
sense
कोई
of
एज नहीं
humor
है.
also. Yes, I know.
Yeah, she has a good sense of humor.
Yes.
And there she saw me, and then she offered me this role of Lord Krishna. Would you like to do this part in my upcoming play, Draupadi? I said,
Right.
yeah, I would love to. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay. तर नंतर मग त्या रोलसाठी बरेच जण बहुत लोग आने लगे वहां पर, मतलब जो
Right.
फेमस थे, ऑलरेडी फेमस हो चुके थे लॉर्ड कृष्णा के लिए.
Right,
You तो
right,
know
right.
it. You
Yes,
you
yes,
have been
yes.
the major
Because
part of that troupe.
yes, yes, we had
हाँ.
been a major part of that ballet.
हाँ.
So in
Yeah,
front
yeah.
of us, many auditions actually used to
Correct,
take
correct,
place,
correct.
and like.
और मेरा ऑडिशन विडिशन नहीं हुआ था.
Right.
मुझे खाली उन्होंने बताया था कि आई वांट टू कास्ट यू, लेट्स सी. और हुआ
Right.
ये कि वहां पर उन्होंने पांडव और कौरव सब लंबे लंबे 6.5 फुट और हट्टे कट्टे ऐसे लिए थे.
Right.
एंड आई वाज नॉट दैट टॉल, मतलब आई एम 5'11", बट
Right.
अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर हाइट एंड ऑल आई वाज लिटिल स्मॉल. तो शी वाज
Okay.
वंडरिंग कि ये विल ही बी एबल टू पुल ऑफ दिस रोल, कर
Okay.
पाएगा कि नहीं, ये इनके सामने
Right.
कृष्णा टिक पाएगा कि नहीं.
Very true.
But then उन्होंने उनके instincts पे देखा, she casted me. She thought कि no, Rajesh will pull off this role because she was getting offers from somewhere else. Let madam हमको लो. But she thought नहीं, I'll try Rajesh only. And then first few shows initially that happened in first we did in Pune.
Yeah.
Then
We
Mumbai
did many
stayed
shows.
and
I
all
mean,
over.
later on, like
And
till
she-
US
हाँ.
also, like.
Then she was getting those feedbacks कि आपका कृष्णा अच्छा है, ये है, वो है.
And I think so. You did a great job. I mean,
Correct.
you
Thank
100%
you. Hey,
gave
y'all all
that.
were like super. Watching you all, that whole troupe of नाट्य विहार was delight. मतलब हम लोग
Yeah.
रिहर्सल में हमारा नहीं होता था काम, फिर भी मैं आके बैठ जाता था to see your
True,
dance
true.
movements. Actor या कैसे बनता है, वो बनता है observation से बनता है.
True. I think so. Your latest serial was you had
झांसी
acted
की रानी.
Jhansi Ki Rani. Right. I think.
Yeah, it was historical. It was costume drama, and I always love to play parts of historical figures.
Right.
मतलब मैंने भगत सिंह भी किया है, मैंने अर्जुन भी किया है.
Yes.
मैंने क्रांतिकारी काफी रोल्स किए हैं. बाद में
True.
लॉर्ड विष्णु, लॉर्ड राम, लॉर्ड कृष्णा,
Yes.
लॉर्ड शिव. I've played all gods, so I'm very happy. And I
Yeah,
had Gunda
you got-
Mawali also in films.
So you got
I've
to
played advocates,
play.
I've played doctors. I have
Wow,
got,
wow,
by
long
God's
list,
grace, I have
long
played
list
all
of
kinds of roles.
characters you played.
Yeah,
that's
and in
that's
every
really nice.
police cop. So I have been always, by God's grace, been appreciated for whatever roles I did.
Yes. I
That
think so.
came
You
my way.
acted in one, I don't know, Hindi film where I think so. अमिताभ बच्चन जी भी थे शायद वो मूवी में.
Sarkar Raj.
Sarkar Raj, I think so. Hindi movie, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
did you get to talk with that big personality, or like not much interaction happened that time?
No, we had great interaction during the shoot.
Right.
Because and he, I mean, मैं क्या कहूँ, वो मतलब he is a living legend. I mean, he is the god of Indian film industry.
True.
His aura is such that whenever he used to come on set, वो लगता था कि that personality is there.
Yeah.
And he never used to come as Mr. Amitabh Bachchan on this set. He used to come as a character.
Oh.
In Sarkar Raj, he was playing that Sarkar. So that aura, that character, he used to bring in on the set. And whenever he was the first who used to come and meet every actor, co-actor. Hi, I'm Amitabh Bachchan.
Wow.
We all used to be like, oh yes, sir. I'm Rajesh Sringarpur. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
So many things to learn from this big personalities
And
also.
Okay, like everyone has their experiences. Whoever has worked with Mr. B.
True.
But the most important thing that I would like to point out here is, Raki, the film when it got released. Okay. This gentleman, he has such a big heart that he messaged me from, I think he saw this film in, there's this in IPTA, नॉट इप्टा,
Okay.
आईफा शो. आईफा
Okay.
शो चालू होता तिकडे,
Okay.
वहां पर सरकार राज का प्रीमियर रखा था.
Okay.
He liked my performance. He was in, I think, somewhere in Thailand, I think Singapore or somewhere. From there, he messaged me saying, "Ki Rajesh, I saw the film. You are marvelous in the film. Keep it up."
Hey, that's a big, huge
So
compliment,
that
yeah.
was like a very
I
pleasant, big
mean,
surprise for me. कि यार
वो
getting a
एक्चुअली
compliment from
मुझे
him.
लगता
I
है वो
would never expected.
मैसेज को लैमिनेट करके रख सकते हैं हम लोग, लाइक यू नो बिफोर डाइंग, लाइक जस्ट थिंग लाइक यू नो फॉर
It
सो
was
मेनी
some
एक्टर्स,
like
या
it was very unexpected, very sweet unexpectation that
ट्रू
that happened then. And then when he came back to Bombay, I always used to have the opportunity to talk to him,
गुड
and he was always
सो
used to
नाइस.
tell me, "अगर आप आप मिलने के लिए." So I've happened to meet him also whenever close by he used to shoot. I used to go and meet him.
राइट एंड अच्छा
तो एक बात उन्होंने हमेशा कही है
Yeah.
मुझे, एक बात वो हमेशा कहते हैं मुझे
Okay.
कि राजेश, हैव पेशेंस इन लाइफ, हैव पेशेंस. He is
So
also
true.
a man of few words. He doesn't speak blah 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 blah.
Yes.
He is a man of few words. So that be patient, Rajesh, be patient has
Right.
a lot of deep meaning in it.
राइट
You know, कुछ चीजें कभी कभी होती है कि हमारे विपरीत होती है. हम चाहते हैं कि यार ये होना ही चाहिए, ऐसे कैसे नहीं
Right.
होगा यार, मैंने अपना यहाँ पर खून पसीना बहाया है, मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि हो ही नहीं रहा यार, क्यों नहीं हो रहा, why I'm not able to break it. But then maybe it's some God's will. He doesn't want you to be somewhere that associated there.
राइट
You need to have that patience to sustain. It's a very big message for all of us. Like साईं बाबा भी हमेशा यही उन्होंने कहा है कि
राइट
श्रद्धा और सबूरी.
श्रद्धा सबूरी, यस
छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, लेकिन इन चीजों से ही पूरा जिंदगी का फलसफा बनता है.
ट्रू ट्रू
हम कहते हैं यार, हमारे पैनिक सिचुएशन में हम देख नहीं पाते, we don't have the third eye to see, but the
Right.
people who are next to us, the near and dear ones, they are the third eye for us. They will tell you, hold your horses, wait, don't panic, so we have to listen to all these messages that come.
So Rajesh, do you have any future projects right now in your hand or still in a lockdown mode?
I have done 2 web series. I have
Oh.
done 2 web series, which is
Oh,
complete.
good.
अभी वो पोस्ट में अटका हुआ है because of
Right,
this
right,
pandemic.
right.
पोस्ट का काम अटका है. There's dubbing left and other things are left.
Okay.
And अभी now, since after this final lockdown that happened few days back,
Right.
I've not signed any project. I have not
Right.
signed a project, but things are moving. I mean, I'm getting
Right.
some calls. We are
Yes.
meeting
Yes.
on Zoom or on WhatsApp call or
That's
video
okay, yeah.
and having a meeting.
Yeah.
So things are moving. The process has started again.
Right.
Slowly and steadily, the process has started, where we are interacting for the project, talking about
Yeah.
projects.
Yes.
जो 4 महीना बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ था.
So Rajesh, tell me, you've been in this industry for such a long time, and what lessons you have learned from this industry?
One thing I have learned that the most important lesson I have learned in life is to be patient.
Okay. Some
ये हर इंसान के
mistakes,
साथ
some
होता है.
mistakes which you thought that time, like you think right now, okay, I should have not done that.
क्योंकि एक हर एज में after 10 years ना इंसान का mindset change होता है. Like 1 to 10 में अलग होता है, 10 to 20 is
Right.
different, 20 to 30 is different, 30 to 40 is different.
Okay.
So after 10 years, the mindset, I think, it changes for the better.
Right.
Hopefully it should be for the better because you are improving your own life, right?
True.
So that's what I've learned. I have been like now settled down mentally.
Okay.
The focus has become more stringent and more powerful and more incisive. Okay, more penetrating. I know where exactly I have to go now.
Okay.
Initially, in those my 20s and 30s, I was everywhere. I was doing
Okay.
this also, I was doing that also, I was doing that also. But now I am just focusing all my energies onto one thing only. Okay. That is one thing. And trying to be patient. It sounds very simple, Taki, but as I said earlier also, it's very important.
Yes.
You have to be very sincere to whatever you do, honest, and be patient enough. Because ये लाइन हमारी ऐसी है जहां पर appreciation भी मिलेगा और appreciation नहीं भी मिलेगा.
Okay.
अगर appreciation मिला तो आपको काम मिलने के chances बढ़ते हैं. उस
Right.
appreciation को मिलने के लिए you have to give your 100%. You have
Right.
to, मतलब अगर मैं philosophical कहूँ तो your soul has to, you know, merge with that character's soul. So once that happens, then automatically that character also shapes up, and
Right.
people start liking it.
True, true, true.
So that's
So-
one thing that I've learned very diligently.
Right. Not going into much details, but if you could just tell me in one word, this Big Boss season was a lesson learned and something positive you took from that show.
Of course, every moment in life is a lesson learning moment.
Right.
If you think so. If you don't think so, then you will like, यार मेरा आज का दिन भी वैसा गया, या whatever you're working for, you think यार मुझे वही करना था. Every moment is a lesson learning moment.
Right.
And
True.
going to that particular show also gave me the opportunity to meet different mindset people.
True. True.
I have
true,
taken all positive only from that show. Nothing negative.
True. True. Yes.
I have taken all things, but I could read people, you know. Okay,
Right.
okay, now that I've come back, it's been a long time to absorb all those things and then move forward.
True.
Take all the energies also, take what you want, and बाकी सब तुम side में रखो उसको. Side
So I think
cast
so experiencing each and everything in life is very necessary to, you know,
It's
groom
very important.
ourselves
Yeah,
to grow,
you
for us to grow in life.
have
Yes.
to encounter all kind of things.
Right. True. Okay, Rajesh, now coming to
अगर हमें गुलाब चाहिए जिंदगी में, तो गुलाब के साथ कांटों का भी रहना जरूरी है.
right, चुभना जरूरी है, कांटे चुभना जरूरी
हाँ,
है.
कांटे भी चुभते हैं ना जब वो हाथ में लेंगे गुलाब के.
Then you understand the importance of that flower.
Yeah, see, all messages are there around us. You have to understand those messages.
Right. True. So now, Rajesh, I want to come to a different Rajesh. Can you describe yourself? Describing Rajesh.
नहीं, ये सवाल का जवाब मैं नहीं दूंगा. ये सवाल का जवाब अभी आप दोगी.
No, I
Apart
want
from
to
actors
know,
life, you
Rajesh.
can tell me.
I
You
want to
know
know,
me
Rajesh,
you know
apart
me for
from
15,
actors
20
life.
years.
Yeah, certainly.
Or,
Obviously. I know you are a very talented
See,
person.
during that show of Draupadi and Ramayana, it was not only about acting in that on the stage. It was traveling. It was
Yes,
staying in
certainly,
hotels. It was meeting together. It was having a fun moment. So
Yeah,
you know me
those
as a
were
person. So I think
such
you
good
should describe
memories
me
we
as an actor.
have. See, I know you
Ah.
because you are a very talented person. I know that because you had that instant things, to just apart from acting. See, acting skills are obviously there, but I know that you are very good at singing. You sing very well.
Oh, yeah, you
have
remember that?
Oh, of course, yes. And,
America. You remember, no? I used to sing there on that first.
And
that
used to be like instant with the jokes. But apart from Rajesh, which I know, is there anything like you have done, apart from this actor's life? Like you said, I think so. You loved cycling and all these things you had done in your.
Yeah. I have been a professional cyclist.
Yeah, so that's a
In my
different thing
college
which I don't
days
think
and
so many
after
people know.
Yeah, they don't know.
Certainly, you should
I'm
share
sharing
that.
it for the first time on this
So
social
good,
platform.
so good of you. Yeah.
I mean, it so happened that कॉलेज में उस वक्त ऐसा होता था कि चलो छुट्टी है, कोई दिन है, चलो गांव चलते हैं. तो गांव कैसे जाए, ग्रुप हुआ अपना दोस्तों का, साइकिल से निकल पड़े. तो वो गांव होता था कोंकण रीजन में है, जो हमारा 170-180 किलोमीटर. तो एक बार वहां जहाँ है तो यार ऐसा किक मिला कि यार if I have gone here, let's try some other place also. So then it's multiplied, then we went to Bombay, Pune, Bombay, Raigad, Bombay, Alibag.
Wow.
Then we had a germ tinkling inside ki why not do one expedition where then let's go to north side Himalayas.
Oh wow.
Who pagal hai tu, kaun jayega Himalaya cycle se? And then we started planning. I was the one who took all the initiatives, and we started planning. And since, as I said, I was in this paramilitary NCC, so I asked them, through y'all can we go? They said why not? Y'all can plan, we will execute it.
True.
So I just made the roadmap and everything from Mumbai to Bombay to that time it was Bombay.
Yeah.
Wahan se leke Rohtang Pass, Himalaya.
Right.
So I made the plan and all, gave them. So it was approved by NCC, National Cadet Corps, and we got fund from Reliance, and I selected the 5 people from all over India. Proper उसका फिर सिलेक्शन हुआ आर्मी की तरफ से,
Right.
और 6 लड़कों को सिलेक्ट किया गया. I was the group leader of that expedition, and then I went, and then it took us 21 days to go to reach this Rohtang Pass. It was a hardcore journey. That time the highways were not that nicely built the way it is now. और छोटे-छोटे होते थे, 1 lane या 2 lane it built. And जब भी पीछे से ट्रक आती थी या बस आती थी, we used to go on the mud road and fall. वो सब चीजें होती थी. And simple cycles, no gear cycles, all simple cycles. जो भैया चलाते हैं ना, जो नॉर्मली हम लोग देखते हैं, उस तरह के साइकिल्स थे. उस साइकिल से हम लोग वहां पहुंचे. और हमारे रास्ते पे बहुत लोगों ने मजाक भी उड़ाया कि पागल हो बच्चे लोग, आप लोग हिमालय जाओगे यार, हम तो यहाँ से यहाँ नहीं जा पाते साइकिल से, आप वहां जाने की सोच रहे हो.
So how many days
then it
it
happened.
took?
Somehow that energy and that something that was there to prove ourselves, and we went there. And after that, that same NCC planned me and another boy to go to Russia, Tashkent, by cycle.
Oh.
So Utvak, but then that time Moscow was a communist country, and so they didn't reveal their roadmaps, and therefore it all got didn't materialize. तो मेरा वहाँ साइकिलिंग का वहाँ भी प्लान. Anyway, उस साइकिलिंग का फायदा ये हुआ कि मेरी नई नई शादी हुई थी 2006 में. नहीं सॉरी, 2006, अगर बीवी ने सुना तो बहुत 2005 में. 2005 I got married, and 10th July we got married, and 26th July 2005 वो बारिश जो हुई थी, पूरा घमासान बारिश, सब चीजें यहाँ अस्त व्यस्त हुई थी. I was in my earlier home, जहाँ पर मेरे पेरेंट्स थे अंधेरी में. और मुझे गोरेगांव के स्टूडियो से एक सीरियल के प्रोडक्शन हाउस से फोन आया कि सर कहाँ हैं आप गोरेगांव के घर में हैं क्या? मैंने कहा नहीं यार, मैं तो अंधेरी आया हूँ अपने माँ बाप के यहाँ पर. क्यों, क्या हुआ? बोले सर अगर आपका घर होता तो हम लोग कुछ यूनिट के, जो हमारी एक को एक्ट्रेस है यहाँ की, वो प्रेग्नेंट है, एंड उसको आपके घर में रखते, बिकॉज वो तो थाना में रहती है, वो जा नहीं पाएगी. इफ यू नो पूर्वा गोखले, ती त्यावेळेला प्रेग्नेंट होती काहीतरी, वो 6 महीने से प्रेग्नेंट थी. और उसको वो डरी हुई थी, क्योंकि जिस स्टूडियो में वो लोग शूट कर रहे थे वहां पानी चढ़ रहा था ऊपर. तो वो लोग पैनिक में आ गए थे कि यार कम से कम इसको तो कहीं सेफ जगह पे ले जाएं. तो उनको लगा कि मैं गोरेगांव में हूँ पास में, तो शायद मैं ले जाऊं उनको. तो मैंने कहा यार आप लोग गोरेगांव में बाकी को एक्टर्स हैं, उनसे आप बात करके देख लो, अगर वो लोग आते हैं तो. जैसे सब पानी में कोई नहीं आ रहा. कुछ टाइम के बाद मुझे फोन आया, तो ऐसे मैं आता हूँ. मतलब आप आओगे कैसे? गाड़ी तो चल नहीं पा रही थी रास्ते पर, पानी पूरा इधर तक चेस्ट लेवल तक आया हुआ था. तो मैंने कहा मैं साइकिल से आता हूँ. और मैं अंधेरी से गोरेगांव, जो करीबन 10-1 किलोमीटर का रास्ता है, मैं शाम को 4 बजे निकला था, जब पानी ऑलरेडी यहाँ तक आ चुका था. मुझे रात के 11:30-12 लग गए, 8-9 घंटे लग गए मैं वहां पहुंचते बिकॉज आई कुडंट, मैं चला नहीं पाया ना साइकिल पानी में. मैं धक्का मारते कैसे गया हूँ मुझे ही पता है, और ऊपर वाले को पता है. फिर मैंने उसको उस सीट पे बिठाया, उसको अपने घर ले गया, डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर साथ ले गया, उनको अपने घर में रखा. दूसरे दिन फिर उसका भाई आया पूर्वा का, और वो उसे ले गया. तो इस चीज का बहुत हमारे इंडस्ट्री में इसका ये चर्चा हुआ था कि यार राजेश ने ऑल द वे ही केम फ्रॉम अंधेरी, ही वाज सेफ एट हिज होम, बट ही मेड श्योर कि अपने को एक्टर को सेफ रखे. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई, हाँ वो हुआ था मेरे हाथ.
नहीं, और ये ऐसे काम इनफैक्ट जो होते हैं ना, वो आई ऑलवेज फील लाइक गॉड ऑलवेज bless such people. Okay, so let's talk about your singing skills, Rajesh. I know you sing really well.
I love singing.
Yes,
मेरा सुबह का प्रोग्राम ही है, मैं जब मैं उठता हूँ सुबह, चाय वाय हो गई तो मैं गाना शुरू कर देता हूँ.
Yes. तो एक अभी भी थोड़ा सा हो जाए झलक. Yes.
आते जाते खूबसूरत आवारा सड़कों पे, कभी कभी इत्तेफाक से कितने अनजान लोग मिल जाते हैं, उनमें से कुछ लोग भूल जाते हैं, कुछ याद रह जाते हैं. उनमें से कुछ लोग भूल जाते हैं, कुछ याद रह जाते हैं.
क्या बात
अब भाई अगर मैं पूरा गाने
Not bad, not bad. Hearing you after such a long time.
या
Okay, what inspiration people can take from you? Or tell me something about that.
जो नए जनरेशन के या जो आना चाहते हैं इस फिल्म
Right.
इंडस्ट्री में,
Right.
उनके लिए मेरा एक सिंपल संदेश है. अगर आपका मन कहता है कि आपको इस लाइन में आना चाहिए तो आपको
Right.
बेशक आना चाहिए. किसी के कहने पर या किसी के बहकावे में आकर यार आप में है टैलेंट है
Right.
या आप खूबसूरत हो, आपको आपकी जगह वहां पर है, बट आपका जब तक मन नहीं कहता
Right.
आपको सोचना चाहिए. और अगर आपका मन कहता है कि नहीं यहाँ पर ही मेरा दाना पानी लिखा है तो यू शुड कम व्हाट में, सब दरवाजे तोड़ ताड़ के आपको आना चाहिए. बट एट द सेम टाइम you should have that patience also.
True.
Again back to that same point, have
Right.
patience. ऐसा
Have patience.
मतलब अब इंडस्ट्री में आए, यहाँ पर इन्वेस्टमेंट म्यूचुअल फंड्स तो है नहीं कि 5 साल का इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है तो उसके बाद
Right.
हमें उसके रिटर्न्स मिलेंगे.
Right.
ये लाइन का कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट का ये नहीं है कि मैंने
Right.
20-25 साल निकाले तो मुझे अभी मिलना ही चाहिए.
Yes. Yes.
Not necessary, you know, but that patience has to be there in you. Come what may, मैं हिलूंगा नहीं यहाँ से unless you know from that voice is coming from inside.
Right.
So that's these 2 points I want to just share with all the people who want to come in this line. Don't get disheartened. Disheartened होने के बहुत मौके मिलेंगे. यहाँ पर
मुझे लगता है ये फील्ड में थोड़ा है कि थोड़ा कभी
मतलब
टाइम
ऐसा हो
लगता
सकता है कि प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे
Yes.
यहाँ तक आए हैं
Yes.
और यहाँ से निकल गए.
True. True.
ऐसे बहुत बार हो सकता है. मतलब ये भी होगा कि यार वो लोगों को आप पसंद नहीं हो या वो नहीं चाह रहे आपको,
Right.
आपका होने वाला था लेकिन पता नहीं क्यों नहीं हुआ.
Right.
कुछ भी सुनने मिल सकता है. But
Right.
just have that self belief in you.
Thank you, Rajesh. I think so. Those were really some inspiring words for everyone.
Thank you.
And thank
Yeah.
you, like I said, thank you once again.
Yeah, it was great knowing, connecting with you through this medium and through your channel. And I wish you and your team all the best and for this lovely venture. And here I got a chance to express myself
Yes.
in a way that I had almost forgotten. You know, normally when we think about the present and think about the future, we tend to just not remember the past.
Yes.
But
Yes.
because of you, I just sneaked in my past, got the memories alive, became a little
So sweet
nostalgic.
of
Thank you very much.
Sweet of you.
And God bless you for this new venture of yours.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Rajesh.